Exercise 11.2, question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So first we will draw a rough figure. We will first draw a circle of radius 4 cm and then another circle with the same center of radius 6 cm. Then we will take a point, any point on the outer circle, that is the bigger circle, and from that point to the inner circle we will draw a pair of tangents. So first we will measure 4 cm on the compass. And then draw a circle. Then we will measure 6 cm and with the same center we will draw another circle. So now these are the concentric circles. We will mark O as the center of both these circles. Then we will take any point on the outer circle and let P be that point. Now from P to the inner circle I need to construct the tangents. So I will draw a perpendicular bisector of OP . So this is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Now with that point, which I have got as the center of OP, I will take that point as the center and draw a circle such that OP is the diameter of this circle. Now the point of intersection of this circle with the inner circle, I will mark as A and B. Then I will join PA and PB. Now PA and PB are the required tangents. We also have to measure the length of PA and PB. So PA and PB both are equal and they are equal to approximately 4.4 cm. Now next we have to verify the length PA that we have found by measurement as 4.4 cm. This we have to verify by actual calculation. So for that we will be joining this point of contact A with the center of the circle. Now this becomes a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent, we know that. So if we apply Pythagoras theorem here, then we will get PA square is equal to, this is the hypotenuse, so that is OP square minus OA square. So this is by the Pythagoras theorem. Now over here PA square is what we have to find out. Now OP square is the radius of the outer circle, that is 6 square, and OA is the radius of the inner circle, that is 4 square. So that is equal to 36 minus 16, that is 20. So PA is equal to square root of 20. So when we calculate this, we will get it as approximately 4.47 centimeter.